Spendy is a human spine-inspired innovation. Unlike any other furniture, Spendy transforms into different shapes or whatever structures you have in mind. There are infinity of combinations you could have for a furniture. A unique set of at least 61 handcrafted wooden pieces that can be easily assembled into unlimited variations on lounge or living space furniture. Created by skilled craftsmen from more than 1,012 small wooden segments, the high-quality finish is beautifully smooth to touch. The Spendy Original weighs in at 40 kilograms. Spendy furniture is stress-resistant for any configuration up to a maximum load of 200 kilograms. This amazing furniture is stress-resistant and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Number 19. K Sofa. Weird or super comfortable? I can't decide which one it is. For those who didn't get it, this weird-looking thing is a contemporary sofa from Alexander Wren that doesn't follow any traditional design rule. This was probably the purpose from the beginning, to have a new thing after new rules that basically should to the same thing with minor position changes. When I first looked at it, the only thing that came through my mind was the B-2 stealth bomber. Remember that piece of machinery that had all the tight angles and not a single straight line? I honestly don't see this couch deflecting radar. It was designed for multiple seating positions, perfect for reading in a more relaxed position or watching TV. You know, stuff like that. Number 18. The Emperor. With the signature Emperor Scorpion shape and outline, an industrial-grade steel structure, tilting capabilities, integrated audio system, LED lighting, and much more, the Emperor is the future of high-end home and office computer work environments. The Emperor offers functionalities that enable the user to experience unprecedented comfort and quasi-total immersion through strategically positioned monitors and accessories. The results is a complete computer office, ergonomically optimized, with a minimal footprint that improves overall performance and productivity. Number 17. Elysium Chair. Elysium is a chair that is designed to make its user feel weightlessness, simulating the effects of zero gravity. The chair has several roller bearings that feel frictionless when reclining, simulating the effect of floating. Elysium is controlled through the use of various hand gestures. When you recline in the chair, its carbon fiber skeleton engages perfectly with your body. That's a spot between lying and sitting up where your body passes through zero gravity. Your weight is evenly distributed, and this results in sensory attenuation, which is the principle of flotation therapy. Number 16. Somodome Meditation Pod. The dome structure gives the illusion of infinite space, immersing you into an illuminated pod of colors that coordinate with your session goals. Using colors and light to heal is an age-old technique, premised on the idea that the colors of the spectrum of visible light have specific beneficial health properties. With the option to select a single color of light or cycle through the whole spectrum, the Somodome provides an environment conducive to the gentle and positive health effects of being immersed in light. Number 15. Hycan Smart Bed. How much do you value your sleep? There is a new high-tech bed that is hoping you would do everything in the name of a good night's sleep, including paying $30,000 for a bed. The Hycan is a smart bed branded as the world's most revolutionary bed in the industry. It is also currently the most expensive bed on the market. The new Hycan bed offers a multitude of features, including an automated privacy blind, adjustable head and footrest. There are also speakers, HD projector, and integrated Xbox or PlayStation gaming and Apple TV. And yes, the clearest Wi-Fi connection to keep you connected even when asleep. Number 14. Earthquake-proof bed. If you live in an earthquake hotspot, you may be able to sleep a little sounder, thanks to concept designs for an earthquake-proof bed. The bed is the brainchild of Russian inventor Dahir Semenov. And here's how it works. When the ground starts shaking, sensors detect the movement and automatically trigger a series of events. The mattress drops you down into a panic room-like chamber, and a lid slides over to protect you from debris. The beds also seem to require step stools to get in them, so that the boxes below have enough room for you, your mattress, and a bunch of food and water supplies. Number 13. Swing Table by Duffy London. When elegant aesthetics meet playful and innovative design, everything is possible, even dining or holding board meetings while swinging. This is more than absolutely brilliant. While rocking chairs have been since long part of our lives, as much as swinging chairs in the form of hammocks or floating couches for siesta summertimes or long talks at the veranda. Number 12. Pong Table by Table Pong Project. When everything seems to flow into the digital world aimed for individual playing, this project appears as a rebellious retro, futuristic version of the Atari Pong game, which brings the backwards process from digital to physical to the table. Originally developed as a tribute to one of the most iconic games ever, the plan of Table Pong Project was to bring back the same experiences you used to get when playing the digital version. Number 11. French Fry Easy Chair by Manet. Looking like a delicious box of French fries, just waiting for you to dive in, the Manet Easy Chair may appear to you as hard and geometric, but each individual outcrop is in fact a soft pillow that bends and compresses to accommodate the sitter, allowing you to feel as if you're being hugged by the chair. Designed to provide you with a comfortable seating experience, no matter the posture, you can sit, recline, and nap on the Manet chair. Each pillow can even be rearranged or removed and used separately. Number 10. Wearable Chair. Laugh all you want, but this wearable chair is pretty awesome. Once you shake off the initial giggles of seeing someone wearing a robot suit and squatting by their workstation, the applications of the device become clear. For people who work with heavy machinery or on production lines or do other jobs that require long periods of standing, the chairless chair could be a lifesaver. Number 9. The Couch Bunker by Heracles Research. Besides offering a comfy place to sit and watch TV, the Couch Bunker conceals a large gun safe and provides some handheld shields with bullet-resistant cushions just in case you find your living room under siege. Couch Bunker is available in a wide range of styles, leather clothing, and fabrics, creating choices from the casual gaming room to the formal living room. Number 8. The Planet Chair by MZPA. The Planet is a creative approach to the boundaries of your personal space, totally new level of comfort work in the office. It features a minimalist design that celebrates the beauty of simplicity and the power of futuristic design. The Planet can substitute the personal cabinet and even a personal relax zone. It is great for the moments when you need to stay alone, gather your thoughts, and focus attention on the task. Take your mind off the business bustle, switch yourself, and have a cup of coffee alone. Number 7. The Walking Table by Wouter Schlieblen. We're always on the prowl for cool new furniture, and this one instantly made our list. Initially drawn up by Wouter Schlieblen, this amazing piece of furniture is mind-blowing and opens the imagination to the possibilities of design and architecture. Now, just what is a walking table? Yeah, that's what I said. In this case, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so we'll let the video demonstrate how a seemingly inanimate object can have human-like qualities. Number 6. Bodice Rocker by Splinterworks. This isn't your granny's rocking chair, that's for sure. The levitating bodice rocker from Splinterworks is the perfect marriage between form and function and style. And yes, it levitates. When your weight is upon the chair, it behaves like an ultra-comfortable lounge chair. When you get up, so does the chair. Number 5. Terra Growing Furniture by Studio Nucleo. Say hello to Terra. What happens when you take the basic principles of nature and apply them to furniture? For architects of the Torino, Italy-based Studio Nucleo, the result was a Terra armchair that physically grows in a garden the same way a tree grows. The kit comes as a set of flat, numbered pieces and perforated cardboard. A mixture of non-compactable material and soil is then poured into the frame before grass seeds are scattered onto the surface. It takes about 2 months for the grass to become fully established, creating a green armchair with a relaxed shape. Number 4. Nucleus Arcade Table by Surface Tension. When looking for new pieces of furniture, particularly of the coffee table variety, you'll be hard-pressed to find anything more awesome than this Nucleus Arcade coffee table from Surface Tension. If you've got an affinity for all things retro and a video gaming mindset, this fantastic-looking piece of designer furniture will add a whole new level of old-school cool to your living room and deliver some of the best classic video games for you to enjoy. The Nucleus Arcade coffee table will become the focal point of your living room and can play music from your networked library or online services such as Spotify and Napster. Number 3. Hoche Water Lounge by InOA. Water Lounge is a unique combination of bathtub and lounge chair designed by InOA. Water Lounge offers special facilities such as a table with integrated comfortable control panel with buttons immersed in glass. For optimal lighting, you can use adjustable reading lamp with color-changing device and water inlet function. Number 2. Clemens Torgler Evolution Door. This radical design of a door by Austrian artist Clemens Torgler uses a folding and pivoting system to collapse and roll to one side. Instead of a single panel attached to a frame by 2 hinges, Torgler's Evolution Door folds into 4 triangular sections that collapse in on themselves and turn around before strengthening back up into a rectangle. Number 1. Shadow Chair by Duffy London. What does your chair look like? Most likely like this, with 4 legs. It's hard to imagine a chair with just 2 legs, unless you take a peek at the Shadow Chair by furniture designer Duffy London. The chair initially appears to defy gravity by standing upright solely on 2 front legs without any back legs. A dark shadow resides beneath the 2-legged piece of furniture, but upon close inspection, one can see the shadow is indeed part of the chair structure. Please tell us in a comment what's the most unusual chair you have seen.
Make sure you guys